Wait a second. All right, we go.
On you, driver.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Right
There's magic in those bully gears.
Everybody will want to bully
Right?
V1
Everybody's
now.
going back to V1 after this, Joao.
Tell him, bro.
Years talking shit about the bully V1. There you go.
There you go.
As long as you have a battery in your car and on course, you're good.
There you go.
Yeah, if we have to, start before he's done.
Yeah, I agree.
Nice.
Somebody have a cell phone and
Work it
start
out.
it on
Work it
that.
out. Yep, you got it, baby.
Work it out.
Nice
Progress
job.
2, 507, drivers, 507. I'm just gonna try that. We got this.
No, but I have the stick.
He's really good at that.
The twinsies?
Yeah.
He's really good at that.
Oh yeah.
I've seen it in all of the shows.
Well, he's controlling front and rear.
Mm.
Nice progress 3. 424 remaining. We are working this out.
Not getting my tires wet. That's the main focus.
Oh, come to Oregon. I'm gonna get you there one of these days. Come on. Nice, good work. Progress 4.
No, well, 4 is there. 4 was still there.
Been there all day. Careful.
Nah.
Crack right there. Keep working that crack. There it is.
What's this time?
332.
Yeah.
Reverse.
Take a good one.
On up on the front.
There you go. There it is. Money right there. Money shot.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Please drive through. You got that reverse.
7 to your right.
Progress 6. I'm guessing there's going to be no rear burn here. He's just going to like drive around the side and then up. 253. Lots of time remaining. Joao. Progress 7.
Baby. Yep, drive it out, drive it out.
How much time?
227 remaining.
Plenty of
driver.
time.
Thank you.
I think somebody's going to get some candy.
I want a bite of that.
Yeah.
Not
Good
want to
man.
get
Good
greedy,
man.
but
Come on, candy.
Never rear end. I like it. Makes me jealous.
not out of the woods yet.
Got that. Work it out. There it is. Progress 8. 159 remaining, driver. We got just under 2 minutes. Come on, drive it through. Progress 9. You got candy behind you.
What's the time?
What time?
136.
Go for the easy one, Joao.
Yeah.
Big bump up.
Yeah, I agree.
I would.
Yeah, me too.
I bet you there's traffic.
Watch that right there side of it.
All right, drive out of it. Drive out of it.
Buck
Go back up.
15.
Go back up.
How much?
Buck 15.
You have time for one more. On this out.
I'm still here, buddy.
He's over here. He's over here. He's over here.
He's gonna do this one. He
He's
wants
gonna
it.
get above.
He wants it.
Fucking dirty dog. 59 seconds.
"45 seconds, driver."
Come back up.
Finish. Come on.
What time?
Yeah, all the way up.
34 seconds.
There you go. There you go. Get up, dude. Let's go.
Ah, fuck it.
Oh my
Ah,
god!
fuck.
I was gonna smack you.
He thought about it.
Oh, he
thought-
did.
I
You see
really
that?
thought about
Oh,
it.
he was going for it.
Yeah, he was.
What a punk! Oh my god, you
I was
glutton, dude.
how
Kid,
much time?
I love
How
the
much time?
candy.
Good way to
Oh,
not, good way to
Oh, I
not
love
gain
the
any
candy.
penalties for trying.
Thank you.
That was good. That was good.
Oh my.
Bro, this is cool.